Yeah. Un sacco là. Ciao Paolo, si è sistemato adesso. C'è un problemino in upload. Avanti, in barca a fare. Perché devo fare abbandonare? Ok. Speriamo magari un bello ping. Gilbert Burns. Dai. Come Paolo, a posto? Che freddo fa, cazzo. Ma mettono a giocare nel computer Call of Duty, almeno fai stufo, cavolo, come era fresca che t'hanno fai. Dai, porco. Cioè, che stanno bestemmie. Sbeve. No, 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 no. Che torna io 87 che stavamo macchina. Avanti. Grazie a sto Robby Lawler, mai visto. Non ce la fa, torna in sofferenza lo stream. Poi che potevo tenere, ma se no vaffanculo ogni tanto. Ciao. C'è un po' di instabilità in upload. Lo dico. No, basta, troppa stamina, ho mangiato. Bravo. Adesso ci faccio con l'auto. È buono sta cugnando anche questo. Ai. Bella. Ma perché non mi fa lo slip in una volta? Perché? Non mi ha chiamato che ha fatto un bagaglia. Bravo. Mi sta puntando molto le gambe lui. Meglio che comincia a pararmi. Ah, bravo. Ah, ma... Ah, mi fece tombolare come uno scemo. Bello. Buono, buono, buono. Lui sta picchiando duro alle gambe lui. C'ha un bel mix alto-basso, cavolo se ce l'ha. Ai, 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 ai. Vediamo come si interra. Raga. Ah, buon gioco finito. Io sono con zero stamina sono io. Ai. Raga. Sono ancora questa sbagliata. Wow. Buona anche la nostra. Ai, 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 ai. Ah, ci sta distruggendo la gamba comunque. Ah, dai, ma perché fa sempre sta cosa? Peccato perché era un bello incontro. Peccato. Fanculo. Scialala. C'ho un po' di ranked, vaffanculo, che non interessa. Che cazzo è? Scialala. Vai. Troppo autoping. Ok, raga. Cosa cazzo è sta cosa che fa ogni pezzo del computer che non hai capito?
It is, and it's going to be interesting. And it's going to be interesting to see who has the upper hand here.
It's going to be difficult to find out how this plays out. Down landed clean.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman.
Oh, really using his reach advantage there as he lands the punch, DC. Oh! Oh!
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, but he's got to finish it. He's got to chase that finish line.
He's got a big knee in the body. We'll see if he can follow up. Nate's another huge knee. Big knee lands there. Big knee. So just over 20 total strikes have already landed for Jan Blachowicz. All right, so a good job defensively by him here as he raises the guard and prevents any damage.
Shades of James Toney. Always seeing things coming at him. He's such a great fighter. He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad. Now he's on top of him looking for the finish.
All right, he's very comfortable fighting off his back, DC. Now looks like he's trying to hip escape.
Yeah, he's trying to hip escape or maybe look for a Kimura here.
Jones's lower jaw does not look good. I don't think it's broken, but starting to show some obvious signs of swelling. Gets up again here, but hurting. All right, 2 minutes now to go in the round. Whoa! Whoa! And just like that, the fight is over.
Fanculo. Stacco lo schermo mentre che giocare, ragazzi.
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So, now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer.
Dai, che fare? It's time.
All right, coming up next, a heavyweight collision between John Jones and Stipe Miocic.
You ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
All right, so the fight is now underway. On one side, you have a fighter who does
Hey,
everything well,
that's fine.
taking on a true grappler on the other side. Going to be interesting to
Sta
see
giocando o no?
how he can keep it up with.
I mean, Damian
Non
Maia.
gioca. Si è scordato il joystick, hai visto cosa pone?
Dude hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Oh, he might be out. Wow! A lot of top pressure being applied here.
Ah va, che cosa?
Well, there are few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions. And do you believe it? And that'll do it.
He got him.
Ti è scordato il joystick,
Yes, sir.
questo
It
è
goes
stato.
into the books as
Se ne
a
vedo bagno a
first-round
cagare.
win by knockout, near perfect execution. The technique was absolutely gorgeous. And again, when you catch a guy early, maybe you're getting him cold before he's had a chance to work up a sweat or even get into the fight a little bit. Those strikes can have a bigger effect, and it certainly did. Come on, Bruce Buffer.
Minchia dai, sono viewer. Quello è un gigante. Tyson.
It's a heavyweight showdown between Stipe Miocic and Tyson Fury.
You ready?
Aspetta, ma...
All right, here we go with round one. You are paid to tell us what you think is going to happen as an analyst. We have a striker, we have a grappler. Doesn't always play out that way, but what are you expecting to see in this one?
I'm expecting the grappler to try and go
Yeah.
and make contact with his opponent.
Right.
If he can make contact, he can drag this fight to the mat. I expect the striker to try and maintain range
Aye.
with his jabs, with his kicks, to make this a stand-up affair.
Well, DC, headgear's not allowed, but he has raised the hands, and he's doing a nice job protecting the dome.
He's doing a great job of blocking his head. A lot of times, those shots to
Aye.
the head will knock you out. Not this time. This guy's making sure nothing lands.
Well, you saw the tail of the tape. He has a reach advantage and made good use of it there with that punch.
He loaded up.
È un gigante.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman.
Nice connection with a punch there. It's hard to recall a time in the past that his boxing looked this sharp.
Oh,
Never looked this good.
And both guys really throwing with authority. Oh, and he caught the kick. Leg attempt here. Nice job to catch the leg. And
ai. Sì.
a big combination of ground and pound strikes here, DC. This could be the beginning of the end.
I mean, you gotta be very
Sì, da San Giuro che è una montagna.
big ground and pound strikes. You need to control posture on the bottom. And if you're the top guy to
continues to do a nice job here defensively, protecting his head, raising the
Che
guard, and
cavolo,
really
sempre in
frustrating
ritardo
the
ci
offensive
penso.
line a little bit.
Lesson one in boxing class.
Sempre in
hands up,
ritardo ci
chin down.
penso. Ah, bella, bella, bella.
Center line,
Bravo.
slips to avoid that right hand. Oh, big left hook there.
Ah. Ai, ai, ai.
Huge right hand.
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Già. Dai, massacrato. Sì. Dai, sono fiori. Combattici.
Oh my goodness, what a fight.
Just an absolutely gorgeous shot to spell the end for his opponent. Crowd is absolutely loving it. He gets the near perfect land. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming, but just the way he drew it up here tonight, saw that little crack of an opening and barged right
Una
through it to
montagna.
get the knock. Here's Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Cambio di classe. José Aldo lo piglio. McGregor. Facciamo così, vai. Holloway McGregor.
Coming up next, we get to a featherweight matchup between Max Holloway and Conor McGregor.
You ready?
Prendi tu figate.
You ready?
Almeno che la scelta sua.
Well, it took a while, but the rematch is upon us. Max Holloway versus Conor McGregor. Of course, they met in Boston back in 2013. That night, it was McGregor by decision. Of course, Holloway went on to win 13.
Dio Cristo.
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Cambiamo questa cavolo di combo.
Oh, beautiful jab by him
Aye.
there, really taking advantage of what is an obvious edge and reach.
That one was thrown to end the fight.
Yep. Lands a
Bueno.
big right hand early. Couple of chins here being tested early.
No,
Try to establish that jab.
Yeah, he's mixed it all up. Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
vai.
Holloway gets absolutely melted by that head kick.
Ma che? Ma che scandaloso.
Wow. It was good night if that landed.
Oh, that's a big connection there from McGregor.
I mean, big strike landed for Ireland's favorite son, Conor McGregor.
Oh, bloccando raga.
Just over 20 total strikes have landed for Conor McGregor. Clean with the right hook.
Look at how he turns his hip over when he throws that kick.
And he lands.
Wow.
Not sure his opponent knows where he is.
No, he's on Beach Street right now. He's seeing Tweety Bird over the top of his head. When you take
Wow,
a
McGregor.
look like that, you are on wobbly legs.
Just Just over 2 minutes to go in round one.
Oh.
He's gotten hurt here.
Now he's on top of him looking for the finish.
Bravo.
Oh, he might be
No,
out.
no. Sbagliato sottovalutato. Per ammazzare. Dai che fa la figa.
He's having his way with him here.
Sbagliato. Ah, anzi, sono sì.
Well, Gregor gets back up and pretty quickly, I might add.
Oh, ci abbiamo provato. Ci abbiamo provato. È arrivato prima di me.
Nice punch by McGregor. Under a minute now to go. Lands the right hand.
Ha caricato il pugno e non mi parte, vabbè.
Authority.
Vabbè.
Well, in terms of Conor McGregor's frame at lightweight or at featherweight,
Oh.
he really uses his
Hey.
length well. He has an outstanding reach. More often than not, he's going to have a reach advantage over the opposition, and he is taking advantage here tonight. There, DC, he is hurt.
Massive hook lands, and his opponent seems to be on his way out of the fight.
Entertaining scrap so far.
Buono, buono.
All right, so there's the end of the round. He stayed committed to doing damage upstairs and landed a seminal blow in that round.
It was accumulation of those strikes. He kept hitting him
Dai qua.
over and
Ma
over
ma
to the
buono.
head. Eventually, he
Boh, io
found
penso che il primo round è mio comunque.
All right, DC,
Non ho
here
visto
we
le
go,
statistiche,
round two.
ma
How
vabbè.
good is this? Max Holloway versus Conor McGregor.
Oh, nice.
And another big kick for Max Holloway.
Nice kick.
Wow.
Lands and maybe time to get the bonus checks ready.
I mean, this fight is about done. He's got him hurt very bad.
Ah.
Now he has to find one more strike to end the night.
Well, you saw the tail of the tape.
Ai,
He has a reach
non mi
advantage
sbagliare però,
and made good use of it there with that punch. Well, we call on the fight stats here. These numbers
Ah, sono un figlio.
61
Sono
total strikes
figlio.
landed for Max Blessed Holloway. And a 45% accuracy rate thus far against Conor McGregor. So he's really starting to put together some significant body shots here. These are going to take their toll as this fight goes on.
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Bleeding from the eyebrow area now. That shot
Ai.
cutter.
Oh, 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 oh.
There he
Guarda, non pare.
One more of those, he might be out.
I mean, the fight is going to be over. I can't believe he's still standing. That shot made him perfect.
Oh, Zuccao. È stato di sicco, pare. No, è stato di sicco. Cosa non balassi.
Winner by TKO.
He mercifully stopped the fight. A great stoppage and a great performance by this young man.
Well, he's going to enjoy watching this one back. Let's take a look at the replay of the knockout just a moment ago.
It was right hand after right hand after right hand.
Now we go inside the octagon.
Rispetto.
Bruce.
Tano. Questo non è uno sport semplice. Domination. Ah, o primo round a curare, no? Vabbè, ok. Ma comparatone, ma che combattente creato che... vabbè. Kickboxer acrobata.
All right, coming up next, it's a UFC lightweight division bout.
Con divisione era il 8, magari visto.
Ready.
Vedete figo. Avanti, un po' che minchione.
You want to fight?
Dateline, Houston, Texas.
Vabbè,
always gonna be back in
conosciamo.
H-Town as we get underway
esperto.
here from Toyota Center.
Vediamo. Oh, non giammo. Acrobata proprio, questo qua.
Well,
Che
DC
mastino
headgear's
fatto,
not
eh?
loud. He has raised the
È
hands and
enorme.
is doing a nice job protecting the dome.
He's doing a great job of blocking his head. A lot of times
Oh,
those
pensate che
shots to the
sta-
head will knock you out. Not this time. This guy's making sure nothing lands. Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back in range. It's very tricky when he throws that body kick.
Good sequence of kicks there by Ferguson.
Che si scemo, si scemo, si.
Oh, and he caught the kick. Nice connection there by Tony Ferguson.
Ah,
You're
se
probably
tu
glad you
video-
never had to prepare for a fighter like
Questo
this. in your
video.
I've never seen anything like that, and I'm not sure there's anyone
Aye.
like that going up in the weight.
Aye.
Tony Ferguson does not give
Ah,
you
non
any
farò
idea of what
cringe,
you're
spammone che
facing. When
cringe,
you're in
ok,
there, you're
spammone
confused.
cringe.
He doesn't give you any type
Spammone
of
cringe
pattern
abbiamo.
inside the octagon.
And those knees aren't just for effect. Those are doing real damage. Man, is he timing his shots well here tonight, DC. It's hard to recall him being this accurate in the past.
I mean, he is so sharp. Not only is he accurate, he's also keeping very busy.
Ma sì, minchione, sì. Un minchione. Raga, poi da blocco, così almeno non ti ingaggiaccio. Quando sei coglione sei qui, raga, combattere, combatti. Questo è esperto. No, aspettizio dice. Ah, aspettizio ho fatto, ragazzi. State attento, ho fatto aspettizio ho fatto.
Big knee lands there. Knee to the body.
Scasso.
Ferguson shot is blocked.
Questa cazzina, parata del cazzo.
Massive head kick there. We'll see if he can finish.
That one was thrown to end the fight.
Oh, he lands a huge kick here. Missed with that right hand. So he's
Ma
really
poi che
starting
non
to
mi
put
vedo
together
mai
some
i
significant
montanti, oh, mai.
right up the gut, DC. He's in a world of trouble now.
They say the
Whoa.
straight moves are the ones that get there first.
Bella
And he
frecciata.
got right to the target.
Dai, vai, come cazzo mi cago, vai, asciugo. Ma qua stavo. È un pezzo di merda questo. Pezzo di merda è questo.
All right, so there's the end
C'ha
of
morta
the
la
round,
famiglia.
and we're going to show you the replay now, DC. The big
Cazzi,
moment,
parate
of
di
course,
merda.
that huge shot to the liver.
I mean, a big shot to the liver. He was looking for it all night long.
Sapeva mixare basso alto, ti fa confondere un bastardo.
Oh, big punch land.
Looks like he's dealing with a cut above the eye here. Oh, continuing to work the
Io
body
c'ho il
to great
corpo
effect.
proprio malato
Knee
male.
to the body by Ferguson. He can truly do it all. How good is that right hand? Goes upstairs
Yeah.
for an elbow.
Ha cavato tutto
I
lui.
mean, he's cutting down the side with these beautiful leg kicks.
Sta cazzi parata. Il corpo come è compromesso.
It was placed perfectly, and now he's got to recover.
What a shot to the body. His opponent
Trying to put a poke face, but he's hurt very, very bad.
Well, he has certainly found the range and staying pretty busy here on the feet.
He's deep.
Che scazzifrato, oh.
Mission
non riesco
accomplished.
lì.
It does not get much better than that.
Well, he's been pretty
Senza
accurate
stamina
tonight.
sono.
He's landed some significant strikes, but his corner's looking for him to mix it up.
Senza
a little bit
stamina
more and
sono.
just throw more volume.
Chissà a
Because
te
they
che come
don't
sti
see too
scemo.
much of a threat. This guy has to have Oh man, look at that. Picture perfect.
Io sono
Got
da così
the
una
leg,
merda.
got his position, got another beautiful takedown.
Oh, he's got the ground and pound going
È
now.
una merda in terra, sì. È una merda in terra.
Oh, he postured up
Allora
there,
dopo che abbiamo
gained some
fatto
valuable
tutti i
separation.
neghe ora
And
dovevo
now
io.
the ground and pound starts.
Looking for a guillotine.
Oh, nice guillotine there.
Una merda in terra, sì.
Now he can escape.
Working on another submission attempt here.
He's attack armbar now.
Allora,
He's been isolated, but he picks him up and slams him down.
He lifted him through the air, slammed him on his back, and moved right into side control to get out of danger.
Beautiful job to not just turn defense into offense, but also to end up in a dominant position. Well, there are few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions
non
and
mi piace
scrambles on
questo,
the
vero?
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
Ah, che cazzo che... Ah, che sostanza in terra, che sto tu, che cazzo hai?
Oh, he's back up again. You gotta
Ah,
like
quindi
that.
si ingessa in terra, ah! Si ingessa in terra. Bastardo.
That is it.
Ah, se la potevo vincere a terra, porco
Aggressive
dio.
with his onslaught.
Mi sono fatto
Ultimately
fottere.
appeared as though the
L'ho visto, gli ultimi 7 secondi, insomma, veni in guardia, cercava di chiuderla. Gli volevo andare, stavo partendo con un calcio alto e mi sono fatto fottere invece dalla stessa pedata di sempre.
Right here
Via,
now,
porco.
Bruce Buffer with the official
A terra era un cane, mi potevo mangiare in terra. A terra era un cane. Che cazzo è? Ciao, pressure, pressure. Last match, moja kurko. Ciao, pressure, pressure.
is a lightweight showdown between Justin Gaethje and Tony Ferguson.
Justin Gaethje.
You ready?
All right, here we are at Honda Center in Anaheim, California. And every time
ma
I
di
watch
quando ne toccava un merda che se.
think back to UFC 157 in 2013, the night
Bastardo. Ma poi che mi faccio sempre fottere queste provocazioni.
just misses there with the left.
No, basta, mi serviva quando ti giocare così mi serviva. Da blocco. Dopo da blocco.
It's another thing to use it. We'll see if he can get that jab going.
He has got to fight tall. He's got to stay at road.
Oh, di più, è Tomacino.
At the exact right moment. He deserves this move. Go finish the fight. He's giving him so many different things right now.
Dai, mi reagio.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by the center. Punch over the top.
Nice connection there by Tony Ferguson.
Dai, non so riesci poi.
The finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Throwing hard in the pocket.
Ah, subito dopo.
Absorbing those strikes quite well. Oh, straight.
Oh.
That off with DC. He is hurt.
What a beautiful
Ah.
uppercut. It landed beautiful, perfect placement on that shot.
25 total strikes and now landed for Tony Ferguson. Nice punch by Gaethje. Straight right hand now just misses. Oh, nice hook by him there.
How many times can this young man land this particular punch?
No,
He's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
aiuto. Oh, ma che cazzo fai?
Punches
Scemo.
very,
Ok.
very explosive.
Ma che siamo qua giocavo.
Few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions and scrambles on the ground.
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
Well, anytime you are in a ground fighting situation with this fighter, you're potentially playing with fire. All right, bottom fighter here, maybe looking to hip escape, DC. Beautiful movement.
Dai, bravo.
Here, just
Sì.
outstanding with the transition.
He is not staying in one place on the ground. That's very important.
Ah, bello.
Blocks the shot. Twenty seconds to go. Oh, body kick.
Dai, ninja, ammazzato. Un mazzettino per andare a ringrazio se acabava il round.
All right, let's get to round two. Oh, really using his reach advantage there as he lands the punch, DC. Much improved defensively as he blocks the shot.
Nice strike.
Whiffs on the straight right hand.
Invece però.
Another shot lands upstairs.
If this guy doesn't move his
Ai.
head, his night is about to end.
Ah, giocai io quello.
Now his opponent's really on the ropes.
His opponent's on Beat Street. He's hurt so bad. I don't know what he's going to do to stay in this fight.
Mi sa ciò che ne uscì. Ciò che ne uscì sto.
50 total strikes and now landed for El Kukui, Tony
Yep.
Ferguson. And landing with 37% accuracy thus far tonight against Justin Gaethje.
Look at that whip action that comes from him throwing that kick.
Oh!
Oh,
He's in trouble.
Oh.
He's hurt bad. He's getting lit up right
ai,
now.
ah, 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 ah.
Man, look at that one.
Ah, Con la resistenza bassa mi sono fatto beccare coglione che non segnavoci.
And now he's got it in the perimeter.
Gaethje's got the tie clinch now.
Wow! Oh!
Now he's on
No, l'ultimo colpo ci vorrei vedere morto. L'ultimo colpo ed era morto.
All right, he engages in the single collar.
Ehi, amore,
And they
bare.
separate. Under 2 minutes to go in the round.
Ah, sto domo ficito mio.
Oh, he's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to go chase that finish down.
Oh, he lands a huge knee to the body. That's a crippling shot there. All right, good job by him there to raise the guard and protect his head.
He's doing a good job of keeping the guard high, blocking his head, making sure
Scandalo che non andiamo
he's
in
not
terra,
taking
vero?
those damaging strikes up top.
Well, he was a little bit lackluster in round one. You can't say the same here in this
Oh,
second
ma
round. He has
lanciato il
really
logo.
picked up the pace, an uptick in the aggression and the output.
Ai,
His range
resistenza bassa, non le posso più fare ste cose.
And he's looking for that left hand, just missed.
Resistenza ce l'ho bassa. Qui c'ho paura che lo porta a terra.
30 seconds to go in round two.
Ah, ma l'ho fatta di nuovo, sono un coglione, mi ho fottuto. Fatemi fottere.
At the exact right moment. He deserves
Dai,
it. Go
c'ho la
finish.
resistenza bassa, non mi posso permettere di fare chissà cosa.
Right hand.
Now goes in and secures the takedown. A fight so
A
far.
terra me la devo giocare. Non ci posso dire sopra, Tony. Bello l'incontro.
Well, what a round it was, especially. Third and final is underway. Oh, shot to the body connects there. He hasn't really thrown too many body strikes in this fight, but now, as this fight goes on, he is not discriminating, working the body, and those
Non mi devo fare trovare scoperto, cavolo.
we've seen all night.
Huge straight punch lands, and he's got it hurt very bad. Good right hand.
Ah,
Oh, he just hurt
è
him.
meglio che lo porto a terra. Meglio che lo porto a terra
Oh,
perché sennò.
man, look at that. Picture perfect. Got to the leg, got to his position, got another beautiful takedown.
Bottom fighter trying to control posture, unable to do so.
And now he's in a lot of danger. He's got to grab that head or he's going to get blasted.
Man, isn't it fun to watch this dude work on the mat?
He's unbelievable
Bravo.
how fluid he is in his motions on the mat.
All right, well, both fighters pretty comfortable on the ground, DC, but you got to be very careful hanging out here for too long if you're his opponent. All right, so pretty good damage here with the ground and pound. Nothing superficial about these strikes. They are
eso sí.
intending to harm.
Oh yeah, he's landing very accurately and he's landing to get damage on.
81 total strikes have now landed for Tony Ferguson, and connecting on just 35% of his attempts against Justin Gaethje. 2 minutes to go in our third and final round. Oh, he does it again, takes this fight right back to the ground one more time. This is exactly what he told us on Thursday, the game plan he's executing to perfection.
Ai,
And he's doing it exactly as he said he hoped it would go. He's getting to the legs, getting fantastic angles, and just wrestling beautifully. The takedowns are amazing, but it's the ground strike that he's landing once he's getting there that is truly a sight to behold.
Oh, he postured up there, gained some valuable separation. And Gaethje's got his arm under the chin, going for a guillotine now.
Oh, nice guillotine there.
Oh, we're getting a finish here. Wow. All right, so he postured pressures up here and now figures to rain down some ground strikes.
Yeah, the ground and pound will be aplenty from this position.
Close guard. What a fight. All right, so the fight goes the distance as we await the judges' scorecards, but certainly a dominant striking effort out of that fighter tonight.
John, he used his best weapons in order to carry him to a decision. A very
qua
clear
lui lo
decision,
danno.
in my opinion. A great performance tonight by this young fighter.
A lui lo danno. Lo dovevo mettere KO perché i punti li vince
Official
lui.
decision is in. It resides with Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and
Poi è stato
gentlemen,
bello incontro, hanno portato dei punti a me.
scorecards for decision. All three judges scored the contest 29-28. Declaring the winner by unanimous decision, Tony.
Maestro!
All right, nice job by him there as he is your winner via unanimous decision. And sometimes I would think it's easier said than done to just leave the judges out of it. Dominant performance, and he gets his hand raised.
Yeah, and if you gotta go to the judges, leave no question, right? Be the person that
Beh, come colpi significativi vabbè a terra. Per un punto. Ma una cazzo è? Non l'ho vista. Non c'è un cazzo qua. Ma. Buono. Buono magari. Capace. C'è più pesce però non mi fare pesce perché se mi fai pesce posso fare l'ultimo ma no mi ritiro nelle mie stanze. Good night.